सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लॅट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border. नेरुल येथे चित्रपट शूटिंग दरम्यान झालेल्या हाणामारीचे गोव्यातील TTAG आणि लाईन प्रोड्युसर संघटनेनं तीव्र शब्दात निषेध केला. खासगी टॅक्सी चालक मनमानी कारभार करत असून गोव्यातील पर्यटन आणि पर्यटनाशी निगडित व्यवसायावर याचे गंभीर परिणाम होत असल्याचा आरोप यावेळी करण्यात आला.
So lot of Goans get business because of having this industry in Goa. Abusing chief minister is not a good language. Similarly, trashing up the people who are giving business to Goa it's very bad. And we Goans are supposed to be hospitable. And tourists come to Goa for our Atithi Devo Bhava nature. Now few miscreants cannot spoil this image of our Goa. So let's be very, very clear that things what has been happening, it is uncalled for and it should stop immediately. We welcome government has taken some few action they have just started taking yesterday. I think they should not stop here, and for once for all, government should be firm on this stance, and we welcome what their government stand what they have taken, but it should not stop here. They should be firm on their action because this menace is going for years together. And it is high time that we put full stop to this menace.
Method, okay, because the rates are too fluctuating too much, and this gives an overall bad reputation and a bad name to the overall business and the overall industry in Goa today. The second thing is we are in 2021, and we have to go for a tech push. Without embracing technology in the 21st century, I think we are just going to be left behind, and it's going to be a disastrous thing for Goa if we start bowing down to pressure tactics to ban technology, ban aggregators. On the other hand, our stand at TTAG has been to invite more aggregators, some of the bigger players into the state to compete with the present aggregator which is there in Goa just now. So we think that competition will increase the level of service, it will increase the level of transparency, and those who are willing to work at responsible levels of pricing will benefit in this kind of a climate. What is happening over the last few days is like the 14th-15th day, I cannot keep track on their strike, which has been hugely unsuccessful, barring one or two incidents. Business has gone on as usual in Goa. We have been operating, many of my colleagues in the organized sector have been operating, but now these taxi unions and TTAG, another thing we have said is we have refrained over the years, over the decades that we have this issue has been there. We have refrained from using terms like mafia, gunda. We have consistently advised and encouraged people not to use these terms because then it becomes there is no solution once we start name calling. So we as an association have completely stayed away from using these words for these taxi operators. So the 14th-15th day have started now, 15-16 days has started, but with the incident that happened with our colleague here, Francis, shows that they cannot stay away from violence. They have said over the 15 days that they are going to stay away from violence, they are not going to take the law into their own hands, but it obviously seems like it is a drug for them. They are going to violence, and the situation is going to go out of hand if the government and the Honorable CM don't take the necessary action. So we urge him to please listen to our complaints and register our complaints when our executives go to the police station and our drivers go to the police station. Another thing we would like to highlight is now they've started coming in new ways of stopping our business. They are coming on two-wheelers, they are coming walking, they are sending women folk and taking down our numbers of our cars and drivers and and that type of intimidation.
Now one message I like to send it to our taxi brothers, taxi union brothers: just because you have stopped your business, you can't force somebody else to stop his business. म्हाका माझें पोट भरूंक जाय आनी म्हाका दुसऱ्यांचें पोट भरूंक जाय, because they are also surviving on a daily wages. Secondly, film industry, you have to note, film industry is not an event, or a shooting is not an event or an entertainment. Government of India has given the film industry the status of industry. And as per government law, no industry is banned in Goa or anywhere else. So person who is coming on the set is everybody is being paid on a daily wages. So it is an industry. It is not an event where I am calling people to entertain. It is as good as people going to industry for a work and coming back. So you have to keep in note. So I will like to request our taxi union ki don't take law in your hands. The yesterday's incidents, it happened. They came on the set and tried to trash the vans and is sending a wrong message to everybody.
Hotel like Taj, which was shut for almost 3-4 months, and I gave them business of almost 60 rooms because due to pandemic, ASC has given us certain SOPs, so we were obeying those SOPs, and only single person would stay in one room. So accordingly, we booked 60 rooms and we started giving the business. So this is a business, this kind of business we started giving not only Taj, we started giving business to other hotels like big brands like Hyatt and Country Institute, all those hotels. So this business basically gives huge amount of revenue to government, not only by way of giving rooms, as everyone said, की आम्ही जे बिझनेस आसा सगळ्यांक टॅक्सीवाल्यांक तर खूपच आसता, कित्याक हांव टॅक्सी इन वन पर्टिक्युलर शूट वी रिक्वायर एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 30 to 40 टॅक्सीज. सो हे जो टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक ह्या लोकांनी केल्लो आसा, एसोसिएशनान केल्लो आसा, विच इज रॉंग. देर आर सो मेनी इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर्स ज्यांच्यांनी लोन बँकेचो लोन घेवन गाडी घेतली आसता, तांकां आपली फॅमिली पोसपाची आसता, आनी ह्या लोकांक ते ह्या एसोसिएशन जे आसा ज्याचे कडेन खूब गाडी आसता ते करता, तेच हे सगळीं नाटकां करता. म्हाका दिसता तांच्यांनी ते हे जे करपाचें करता पळय ते बंद करूंक जाय आनी लेट इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर्स आसा, तुमी करा स्ट्रायक तुमचो कितें आसा तो, पूण जो इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर आसा तांकां तुमी त्रास दिवंक उपकारना. तांकां जर गाडी चलता जाल्यार डेफिनेटली चलोवचें, जे तुमच्या एसोसिएशन आसा तांकां तुमी बंद करून ठेया. पूण दिस इज व्हेरी रॉंग वॉट इज हॅपनिंग फॉर वॉट वी आर हियर टुडे.
आता गोंयात शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याचबरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मुर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.